Psychology Quiz 1 Minute Series. Today's question: who developed the strange situation to observe child caregiver attachment patterns? Was it Eric Erikson, James Maas, Carl Kohlberg, Sigmund Freud, or Mary's Ainsworth? The true answer is Mary's Ainsworth. Explanation of the correct answer: Mary Ainsworth is a developmental psychologist who came up with the strange situation paradigm to observe how children react when their caregiver re-enters the room after having left prior. The four main attachment styles are secure, avoidant, disorganized, and resistance.